ang movie namin dahil ito po yung first ever movie na KNGS Gabi ng Ganyan. And I hope mag-enjoy po kayo and ayun na, have a great night. God bless us all. Love you guys!